Today, we're going to be making something special at the campground via Walter.
Let me get my man. Hold on, baby.
Oh no, he's excited.
Now you gonna get too fast. I ain't get to my phone fast.
Going there with it. Rest is about to come.
Okay. And what are you making, sir?
We doing a crab bowl. We doing a Campground-Cajun seafood crab bowl. Step 2, Cajun campground crab bowl, seafood bowl. Here we go. We're going in with them potatoes. See them potatoes? We're going in with the potatoes now. Come back. We'll be back.
You may have to finish your own video because you ain't taking stuff out.
We're not making any extra money off of that, but I just felt campground shenanigans.
Let me tell you,
Grown ass men.
we out here. We doing a Cajun crab boil at the campsite. We got this wonderful drink mix my daughter did, and it's in this standing cooler. It's the ultimate cooler. It's got the nozzle right here for you to get your drink. And it holds about 3 gallons, 2.5 to 3 gallons of drink. It's wonderful. Let me tell you.
Brewmates?
No, that's fake bait.
Not fake bait.
You gotta glisten it up real quick. We made and White Claw. Put it in there.
Yo, y'all, we out here at this crab boil, this Cajun campground crab boil. And let me tell you, this is what you need to chill your drink.
Yes.
Out here in all this heat. See what I got on my head? But this is what you need your drink in. A brewmate. Hold it. That's get it. If you ain't got it, get your hold.
Yep.
Okay, y'all, we about to go down with the corn. This corn right here was given to us by somebody that's right out here on the campground. They work at the farm. He brought us corn picked right from the farm. We poured in the corn. And we want y'all to hang on. This ain't over. We had a good time, y'all. Good eating time. We all gonna be full. Come on. Next layer of flavor. And don't y'all forget, we only keep our stuff in igloo cooler. Get yourself an igloo cooler. That's what you need. So we're gonna add some sweet peppers. We got yellow. We got green. Oh, we got doggone red onions. Onions. That's how the Cajun people say it. Onions. We're gonna add them onions, y'all. We looking for flavor. That's what we want. Then we got a little bit of garlic. Got some garlic cloves. We putting them in there too.
How many?
It's about 4 garlic cloves crushed. And you put them in there. Bam. Okay, y'all, we back with the Campground-Cajun seafood boil. We getting ready to go in with the beef sausage, y'all. There we go. All we got. But that ain't all we got. We got some more. We're gonna layer these flavors in there. There they go. Got them in there. We coming in here. We got something special, y'all. We got blood oranges. Look at that. Look at that. It's red like blood. Put them right on in there. We got some lemon. It's gonna help tenderize and make everything just as sweet tasty. We ain't using no big crabs, y'all. We using some medium crabs. Good taste. Come back. We'll be here. Hey y'all, it's time to layer in that flavor we all been looking for. We layering everything. We doing it in layers. We doing everything in layers. Everything in layers. These ain't the biggest crabs, but they good crabs. So what we gonna do, we gonna just layer everything in there so we get that flavor. We gonna let y'all know what the next flavor gonna be. Hot and huge, but we gonna make it.
What?
And your White Claw.
Hey.
top it off, and we got the final seasons gonna go ahead. Then we gonna pour it on that table. That table right there.
Right there.
We gonna be getting down.
And this is our hostess, Miss Charla.
We got crabs ready right here.
We got crabs ready.
Ready to go. That's right. Take care of
Okay, y'all, we going in for the final. We going in here with unseasoned shrimp. Unseasoned shrimp. They going in there. No seasoning at all. Get them down around the side so when we pull this basket out, they're gonna go right down in the season. We got some that's peeled and some that's unpeeled. Going right in with them, y'all. Alright, this is how we gonna do it. Now, when everybody looking
chopping
for,
them damn strip, man.
they look, oh, bingo, that's just one. That's just, y'all, we don't use just Old Bay. I ain't telling y'all what we use. We don't do just Old Bay. Just Old Bay ain't it. When we dump this pot, we're gonna dump it on that table over there. And all the flavors gonna come together. See right here? I'm using my hand. I washed them. I washed my hands. We going around that edges. The flavors gonna go down there. It's gonna get in that corn. See y'all in about 20 minutes.